Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to install an Injen Cold Air intake on an Audi A6. It's frigid out here, so stay tuned. Alright, let's start by popping the hood. Alright, I'm going to start by undoing this clamp right here. Alright, next you're going to do the second clamp, which is right there. Right there. It's a 7 mil. After you loosen the clamp from on there, try to wiggle this part, but be careful with the vacuum hose here, okay? Once we pull it out, we can kind of disconnect this vacuum hose. Then carefully take the vacuum hose. I'm going to try to pull it up, but first undo it from here. And then try pulling it up. There is no bolt holding this box. Be careful with the wiring harness in the back. Alright, so I already assembled the lower filter into the piping. Now we're gonna install it. Be careful with the those wires. So the pipe is in already. I fastened the clamps on this side. It's nice and sturdy, but I don't like the fact that it's hanging off the wall there. So next step. All right, let's connect our vacuum line, which is right here. This is a little bit bigger. I actually put lithium grease around here, so this vacuum line can kind of slide in easier. So the vacuum line's already in. I did push it as far as it can go, but it's not gonna go nowhere, so we're good. All right, she's done. Start her up and see how she sounds, and then we'll take her for a test drive. There we go. All right, let's take her for a test drive for sure. Alright guys, we're doing the test drive now. I'm not sure if you can hear the turbo. Slight difference, not much, but you can hear the turbo now. Yeah. Definitely hear it now. Not of a huge difference, but you can still, hear much better the turbo. There you go, you see? I can't drive too fast since we had fresh snow today here in Chicago, so can't be driving reckless out here. So definitely much better for sure. It's definitely a sweet upgrade to get a cold air intake on an 2.0 Audi. Like I said, stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna get the integrated engineer stage 2 for this car. It's gonna bump up the HP, supposedly just hook it up with the software. We'll see what that actually looks like down the road. So that wraps it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, you found it helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I will have more videos on the way. I do apologize for not having more videos on time. The weather's been bad. Chicago is a very, very cold city, so I'm gonna do my best. So I'll see you guys on the next video. See you soon.